don't hurt because squats are bad for you. They hurt because you're making the same 3 mistakes as everyone else in your gym right now, and I'd bet money you've never been taught the actual fix. You see those guys limping out after leg day like they just survived a war zone, complaining their knees feel like they're 60 years old? That's not normal. That's not just part of the grind. That's your body screaming that something's wrong, and you're out here ignoring it like it's your ex texting you at 2 a.m. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Most people squat with terrible form, and they've been doing it for years. You grind through the pain thinking it'll get better. Spoiler alert, it won't. You slap on a knee sleeve like it's some magical armor. It's not. You're basically putting a band-aid on a broken bone and calling it recovery. Meanwhile, your knees are taking damage every single session, and you're leaving gains on the table because you can't load the weight your legs can actually handle. You're basically doing cardio with a barbell at this point. Congrats on the conditioning, I guess. But here's the good news. These mistakes, they're stupidly easy to fix. I'm talking about simple cues you can apply in your very next workout. Fix these 3 things, and suddenly your squats feel smooth, your knees feel bulletproof, and you can finally load up the bar without sounding like a bowl of Rice Krispies having an existential crisis. Let me show you exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it before your knees file for divorce. Mistake number 1. Your knees are caving inward. You descend into the squat and your knees collapse toward each other like they're having a secret meeting to plot against you. This is called knee valgus, and it's a one-way ticket to knee pain city. Population: you and that guy who does half-rep leg press in the corner. Here's the fix. Before you even start your descent, actively push your knees outward. Think about spreading the floor apart with your feet like you're trying to rip the ground in half, or like you're opening the curtains to let some sunlight into your form. Keep that tension the entire way down and up. Your knees should track over your toes, not diving inward like they're trying to become best friends, not shooting way outside, just straight, clean, controlled. Do this and you'll instantly feel more stable, and that weird grinding sensation in your knees, gone, vanished, deleted from existence like your gym motivation on a Monday morning. Mistake number 2. You're sitting straight down instead of sitting back. You drop straight down like an elevator with broken cables, and all that pressure goes right into your knees. Your knees shoot forward way past your toes, and now you're basically doing a knee demolition exercise. Congratulations, you just invented the worst movement in fitness history. Patent pending. The fix is simple. Break at the hips first. Think about sitting back into a chair that's slightly behind you, not underneath you, like you're reaching for the toilet seat in a gas station bathroom. You know, hovering because you don't trust it. Your hips move back, then your knees bend. This loads your glutes and hamstrings instead of turning your kneecaps into powder. Yes, your knees can go past your toes. That's totally fine. Ignore your uncle's gym advice from 1987 when he peaked at a 225 bench, but they shouldn't shoot forward first. Hips back, then down. Master this, and you'll feel your glutes and quads working way harder while your knees feel like they just got a spa day with cucumber slices and everything. Mistake number 3. Your weight is on your toes. You come up on the balls of your feet during the squat like you're a ballerina auditioning for Swan Lake, and now all that force is driving through your knees instead of your hips. Recipe for disaster. And you're not even getting paid for the performance. 0 stars on Yelp. The fix: root your entire foot into the ground. I'm talking heel, ball of your foot, and toes, all 3 points gripping the floor like you're trying to leave footprints in concrete, or like you're holding onto the ground for dear life during turbulence. Most importantly, drive through your heels when you come back up. Feel that weight in your midfoot to heel, not your toes. This simple shift completely changes the exercise. Suddenly you're using your posterior chain, your glutes, hamstrings, everything. That actually makes you powerful and not just good at tiptoeing. And your knees, they're just along for the ride, chilling, living their best life, probably listening to lo-fi beats exactly how it should be. There you have it. 3 mistakes, 3 fixes: knees out, hips back, weight in your heels. Apply these in your next workout, and I promise you'll feel the difference immediately. Your knees will thank you. They might even send you a card. Hallmark is working on it. No more limping out of the gym like you aged 40 years in 1 hour. No more skipping leg day because your knees can't take it. Just clean, powerful, pain-free squats that actually build the legs you want. Now go fix your form and stop squatting like a baby giraffe learning to walk. And hey, like if you laughed or learned something, or both, subscribe for more gains and bad jokes. Your knees will thank you. So will your sense of humor.